particular process is under the cost control mechanism. The cost controlling process, of course, would require planning as well as cost estimators. The cost estimators does the cost estimation part, that each element of the project, each project activity has to be costed, that how much cost will be required for that particular activity. Then once the cost estimation is done, then we have to see the cost commitment. Now, what is this cost commitment? Cost commitments are those that against a particular head, whatever you have awarded to some other party, some other agency, that is your commitments have been done. So that is cost commitments. Changes, deviation, if any change is being introduced, then you need to go for change management process, take the approval, and obviously once the changes are coming, then your if the client is approving your changes, then you would be implementing that revised budget would be coming again. So change, that revision of budget would always be dependent upon what value of changes or deviations have been permitted by the client, and that requires the client's approval basically. Forecast trends, obviously whatever you have expended as of that particular day when reporting period is there, that data is available with you, but the cost control is not just limited to whatever you have expended to that particular status date. You also need to forecast that how much you are going to require for completing the projects. So the that is cost at completion, because your budget is completely is for the entire project. So you need to find out the cost at completion, which will be the part of whatever commitments you have done, whatever payments you have done, and then what is the cost to complete, CTC, cost to complete. That part is to be estimated by experts, generally by cost estimators. Then only you have the complete cost control sheet. I remember that I have shared a detailed cost control sheets during the cost management process module. So please revisit that cost management module, that what are the components of cost controlling reports are required, and that will be useful. For an engineering company, I think most of us would like to see that how the engineering cost is being controlled. So for that purpose, you or rather even EPC contractor also need to implement the attendance, the timesheet management system.